Yeah.
I just did a camera. You're like, oh snap. Oh, you're filming me. I did not know. Extra bumpy. Bumpy tits. Pay attention, jackass. Oh, I'm so gay. Flea Market, Montgomery. It's like a mini mall. Woo! 120, baby! I'm just kidding. 55. I'm turning, lady. Always signal. Look at her, she's cruising, dude. She's just cruising. Waves for the handicap man. You're welcome. Oh, that was horrible. Let's go do something fun.
It's on his face. I can't fucking see it.
Let me see, Grant. Come over here. You know what hurt? Running full speed into a chair.
It's not my fault.
It is your fault.
You're your fault.
Yeah, I'm your fault. What?
My dick's your fault. I'll open the door, okay?
Alright. Go for it. Let go first. I can't take it.
Dude, that's a bright ass light.
I know.
Alright, well, what's it? Oh, I got a text message.
I can't. Do you have a flash on your camera?
No.
I can't see.
Alright, back up against the wall.
But what if he is the wall?
Then we're screwed. Alright, I say you run to the couches right now. Oh, here it is. Swear to God.
The door did not open.
It closed. I swear to God.
Mom? You look like Borat.
No, your legs are out. So gay.
Yes, please.
What's up?
Alright, we're not making any stupid videos.
I know, I'm just documenting the night. Where something funny goes down.
I got a boner. I gotta make sure I got money. Oh yeah, I got a 20.
I have $6, $7.
Chill. I got a 20 in my dick when that lady has a fupa. Dude, that girl's got a straight fupa, dude. Oh my
Film
god.
it, film it.
Fupa. That upper pubic area. Turn it off. I am McWuffin.
That's good, dude.
Really, dude? Cover your mouth, bro.
Really do cover your mouth, bro.
That's high definition.
Did it fall back in?
Yeah.
Beast mode. Scoop it back up.
Rub-a-dub-dub.
I don't know.
You better fall. You didn't shut the door, you queer. Coming in hot, filming?
Yeah.
Woo! I almost hit the curb.